So I'm looking from under the car at the intercooler along the driver's side. I'm first going to disconnect the air pipe from the intercooler. What we're looking at is where that air pipe from the throttle body connects to the intercooler. I removed the clamp and used a pick to loosen the pipe from the intercooler gently. I don't want to damage the pipe's tight fitting around the coupler. And I can see this thick black oil seeping from where it connects to the intercooler. And it's a bit more oil than I'd like to see. Some oil is normal, but given this amount, since I already have the radiator out, I'll pull the intercooler to drain and clean whatever oil has collected inside. So let's check out the throttle body. I'm now loosening an 8mm clamp that's connecting the air pipe to the throttle body. Once removed, I'll just pull down with my body weight or maybe push down from above to pop it off. Next, I'll remove those 4 10mm bolts I mentioned before and disconnect an electronic sensor that has 2 tabs on either side. And there's the throttle body, and this is why we are cleaning it. Take a look at that. Look at all that carbon buildup. So we have the throttle body now off the car, and we are going to go ahead and clean it up with some carburetor cleaner. It's okay that the butterfly valve is not completely closed. It's the way it's supposed to be in its relaxed state. Since I moved the butterfly valve and cleaning the throttle body, I will make sure to reset the calibration by turning the ignition key to second position for 30 seconds, off for 5, and then I can go ahead and start the vehicle. I'll just make sure to clean off the mating surface here for the new gasket with some acetone and maybe a razor blade. So here's the throttle body all cleaned, including the mating surface and the new gasket. Now that the intake manifold mating surface is all cleaned and prepped, that's all there is to it. I'll go ahead and bolt the throttle body back into place and we're all done. Hope this video is helpful.